Oh hey guys, and welcome back to another edition of Ray's Reviews. And today I'm going to be doing a review of the Ball wide mouth 32 ounce mason jars. Now, I don't know if you guys know, but right now there's a severe shortage of these Ball mason jars all across the US. In fact, I tried to go to Walmart, I tried to go to Target to find these wide mouth Ball mason jars, and they were absolutely sold out everywhere. And I think the reason for that is that a lot of people today are getting more into food preservation. And because they're getting into food preservation, these Ball mason jars are just flying across the shelf. So because I couldn't find these Ball mason jars anywhere, I decided to go on Amazon and purchase a couple of these Ball mason jars, a couple cases just to test them out. I know a lot of people had concerns about the authenticity, about the price. It's definitely priced a lot higher than in the retail store. In fact, I think some of these cases I had to pay double the regular price. But hey, if you need mason jars, you need mason jars. So I'm going to do an unboxing, and then I'll do a review of these Ball mason jars, and I'll tell you guys why I absolutely love, especially the Ball wide mouth 32 ounce version of it. So let's see. All right. Okay. So these look pretty well packed, but let's take a look. Okay. So, all right. So the first one was the 4-pack from Amazon that I got. All right. So far, it looks like it's pretty well packed with this bubble wrap here. So I'm just going to open it up. This was the 4-pack of case that I got from Amazon. And let's take a look at our first one. Our first case. Wow. Ball wide mouth mason jars. And as you can see, these are authentic. So they are Ball. There's the smooth jars, and it's the 12-quart, 32-ounce jars with lids and bands. And as you can see, these are the ones that are wide mouth, made in the USA, so they're definitely authentic. And the first case looks pretty good. None are broken, and it looks very, very nice. So I'm going to put this first package down first. And let's take a look at all this bubble wrapping here. So again, looks pretty good. Whoever sold me these, they did a good job of boxing it. So here's the second pack over here. So again, second pack, no issues, everything's intact. And let's put this down, and let's take a look at the third and the fourth pack. Make sure there's no damage. I'm gonna remove all this bubble wrap. Okay. Third pack, no issues. Putting it here. And finally, the last pack right here. Again, authentic, no damages. So very happy with this one seller. So 4 packs of mason jars from Amazon, and these look solid. I feel like I'm a little kid during Christmas because I absolutely love mason jars. So I also bought mason jars from a couple of other Amazon sellers. So I'm going to quickly take a look to see that there was no issues here as well. And again, you know, it was well packed. It says, you know, please handle with care, glass. So I'm hoping that there's no damage, just because a lot of the times people don't pack them correctly. So open this up right now, and let's take a look here. Let's take a look. Oh, wow. This one is a little bit harder to open.
No, I have to cut it.
Yeah, this one's a little bit harder to open. And here. All right, here. And here we go. So just some garbage paper. And this person, so this one looks like there was one taken out. So I don't know why this was taken out, but there was one taken out. I'll just put this here. And let's see. Let's see. This one's a little bit harder to take out, but well, sorry about that. here we are. Here's the other pack of the ball mason jars from Amazon. I have no idea what happened with that one jar, but it was intact. It's not broken. Again, authentic wide mouth. So I'm good with that. I'm gonna put that down there. And then finally, my last box from Amazon. Let's take a look. Hopefully this one, there's no issues either. No broken jars. I'll be very, very pleased. Open them up, and let's see. And voila! Very nicely bubble wrapped again. Very happy, very pleased with the bubble wrapping. I'm gonna take it out, and authentic and no damage. So here we are. I got my ball mason jar empire over here. And now I'll do a little bit of a quick review on why I absolutely love these ball mason jars, and then we'll go from there. All right, so these ball wide mouth mason jars are very versatile and they have a lot of different uses, but I want to explain the main use of these mason jars. So in the past, okay, refrigeration wasn't very common, so you had to really be able to preserve food, and one of the best ways to do it was with these basically these mason jars. So if you open up the mason jar over here, you have these sure tight lids that are like this, okay, and then you could basically preserve a lot of cool different types of food like jellies or jam or some vegetables. And how you basically seal them is once you heat them up. So this lid is going to go on top over here, and then you're going to put this lid over on top of it, just like that. And then once you put your jelly or food in this jar and you heat it up, okay, this is basically going to seal if you did it correctly. And then when you take this out, and then this can come off, this band can come off, and then this will be sealed, and then your preserved food could last over here. But I'm going to show you guys why I absolutely love the other versatile uses of these ball wide mouth mason jars. And again, there's two different versions of mason jars. There are the regular mouth and there is the wide mouth, okay? So this one is the wide mouth, and the wide mouth I like a lot better because it's a lot easier to clean and it's just a lot bigger and smoother. And the 32-ounce one is the one I like the most because it is the most versatile in my opinion in terms of storing items. So we are going to go to my kitchen now, and I'll show you guys what other uses I have for these mason jars and why I absolutely love them.
Go.
Oh, hey guys, and welcome to my kitchen. And as you guys can see, I have a bunch of different mason jars with various items in them. And you probably guessed this is probably one of the reasons why I absolutely love these mason jars. So first of all, the mason jar that you'll receive in those packs, it does come like this with the sure tight lids, okay? Like this. So it's not just like that, and then you have the band over here, okay? But the mason jar lids that I like to buy that are not included, that are actually really cheap, are these leak-proof bottle storage lids, and these work like regular lids, okay? So it's actually a lot easier if you're just trying to use like household items, like put different items in. And these are super cheap. They're like 6 for $10 or $11. You can find them anywhere, Walmart or Amazon. They're not sold out, so that's a good thing. These ball leak proof, and they're much more versatile than the sure tight lids. If you just want to storage, put some items in here. So as you can see, I love putting various items into my ball mason jars. I have cashews here for this one. I got my storage lid. And you can just kind of put all these pantry items in. I got my almonds and my chocolate almonds mixed together in one with another ball wide mouth mason jar. You can put brown sugar in it. So I love putting brown sugar into these mason jars. And obviously you have your white sugar over here, and super, super cool. You could do lots of fun things with these ball mason jars. You can use this to drink, you could put make an alcoholic beverage and, drink out of it with a straw. You can do arts and crafts for kids. It's just so, so versatile. So that's why I love them. Pasta over here, like if you wanted to just put some pasta into a mason jar. You can just go like this and just dump it in, and then it's so easy. When you guys want to make food and things like that. So that's another very versatile use for these ball mason jars. So just a lot of cool things you can do. You can just store so many different items, and that's why I absolutely love them. And the one I love the most is the 32-ounce one. So it's a shame that these are kind of sold out, and you can't find them. I even tried to contact one of the distributors, and what's crazy is that they said that these would be out of stock until March of next year. So it's like you can't even buy these anywhere until March of 2021. So my recommendation for you is if you want to get these ball mason jars, first thing that you want to do is you want to go to your retail stock. You want to go to your retail stores. Okay, the absolute best place to find them is at your local retail stores. So think about your Walmart, your Target, your Michaels. That would be the absolute best place to get them, and the lowest priced option as well. But if you absolutely cannot find them anywhere, and you're like me and you just have to have mason jars, I would just get them on Amazon. I'll leave a link below to where I bought mine from on Amazon, and I'll also leave a link to these leak-proof storage lids, which I absolutely love. So that's it for me today. I am going to go and do some cool things with my mason jars. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for coming out to another edition of Ray's Reviews, and I will leave a link in the description below, and I'll see you guys next time.